Can't sign in to YouTube on Android TV. If you're unable to sign in to YouTube on your Android TV, there may be issues with your account, internet connection, or the app itself. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Test other apps. Open another app on your Android TV to ensure the internet is working properly. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Check connection settings. Go to Settings greater than Network on your Android TV to verify that it's connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Restart your Android TV. Step 1. Restart from Settings. Go to Settings greater than Device Preferences, greater than Restart. Step 2. Unplug the TV. If the problem persists, unplug your TV from the power source, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. 3. Clear cache and data for the YouTube app. Step 1. Access app settings. Go to Settings greater than Apps, greater than See all apps greater than YouTube. Step 2. Clear cache. Select Clear cache and try signing in again. Step 3. Clear data if needed. If clearing the cache doesn't work, select Clear data and relaunch the app. 4. Update the YouTube app. Step 1. Check for updates. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android TV and search for YouTube. If an update is available, install it. 5. Sign in using your phone or computer. Step 1. Choose Sign in with a web browser. Open the YouTube app on your TV and select Sign in. Choose Sign in with a web browser. Step 2. Go to YouTube activation page. On your phone or computer, visit youtube.com/activate. Step 3. Enter the code. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV and follow the prompts to complete the sign-in. 6. Update or sync your Google account. Step 1. Sync account. Go to Settings, greater than Accounts, and Sign in, greater than Google account on your Android TV. Select Sync Now to ensure your account is updated. Step 2. Re-add your account. If syncing doesn't work, remove your Google account from the TV and re-add it. 7. Check for Android TV system updates. Step 1. Go to System Settings. Navigate to Settings greater than Device Preferences, greater than About, greater than System Update. Step 2. Update your TV. If an update is available, install it and try signing in again. 8. Reinstall the YouTube app. Step 1. Uninstall the app. Go to Settings, greater than Apps, greater than YouTube, greater than Uninstall. Step 2. Reinstall from Google Play. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall it.